Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about Bybit or Bybit Card. Is it going to be a game changer or it's all hype? So basically, this is going to be a card. As you can see right here, you can order a card by this website. You can check this location right there and basically get your card. So what does it give you? So take note that accepted or it's accepted anywhere as long as you have MasterCard. Or anywhere MasterCard is accepted, this is also accepted. You can also get 10% cashback if you spend almost $150. Pay anytime with your crypto. You can use Apple Pay, you can use MasterCard, you can use this currency right here. Alright? And also rebates on selected partners, especially Netflix, Spotify, and ChatGPT. That's really new. Alright? So earn 2% and 10% cashback every day, rewards on your everyday spending. And these are going to be the features. It has a Go Virtual and spend instantly. Bitcard is compatible with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Earn up to 8% APR on your idle funds. Free card issuance, no annual fees. This is going to be the game winner for me. Free card issuance, because some of the cards here need to pay at least $10 to $15, and there's going to be an annual fee for others. In here, you don't need one. You're going to enjoy 100 USD in free ATM withdrawals every month. Take note, guys, you can withdraw 100 USD for free each month. A 2% fee will apply thereafter. That is just like free money. So, free worldwide delivery of your Bybit or Bybit card. So, take note, guys, payment provider may option depending on your region. ATM withdrawal availability and fees may vary depending on your region. So, your protection is going to be their asset. As you can see right here, let's check if this is legit. So far, so good, right? However, I did a little bit background check here for Trustpilot. As you can see right here, it is going to be 3.2 out of 5. The best comment is I don't remember which note I wrote at the moment. I have prepared the note. Ask me in months, and basically this is what they have. Bybit platform lacks point-to-point or P2P intermediary for local transfer in Bahrain. However, it's still a good one because it answers quickly with customer service. I'm curious about this 1 star. So this 1 star right here is we had an account with Bybit and customer service literally not available. Very difficult to connect with them and ask questions, get any reply. That is actually not correct all of the time because we have one here that the customer service has been really, really frequent. Alright? And basically that's it. So is it gonna be a hype or is it gonna be a game changer? So for me, I'm gonna go for a game changer here just because free card issuance and no annual fees and this one right here. Alright? So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.